jack.
Yeah, so they can, by the way, there's live audio on this, so they're hearing us.
Oh, I see.
Which doesn't bother me. We've got 14 live viewers. We're live right now. Hey, guys, we're going to tell you what's going on here in a second. Stay tuned.
Hey, everybody.
We are here with Galati Yacht Sales, out waiting for the deployment of the first. What is this boat, Christian?
This is a 56-foot Prestige. This is listed by John Hodkins at Galati.
Nice. So you guys are based out of the Destin Harbor?
That's right next to AJ's.
Yeah, so it was as you can see, guys, it's a stunningly beautiful morning.
Amazing.
I mean, just calm seas. We're waiting for the barge. They were supposed to be here at 11 o'clock, but guess what? Barges operate on their own time, and we've got several of the artists aboard with us. We've got Rachel Herring, who created the Great Pineapple, and 30A Company sponsored her sculpture, which is I don't know if it's, Charlie, if it's a 6 or 8 foot mass. I mean, it's maybe larger than that. It's actually like an 8 or 10 foot sculpture. So it's going to become not just something that visitors can go underwater and enjoy, but the marine life is going to spring up almost overnight. So this afternoon, if you are a certified diver, you will be able to go underwater here right off the coast of Grayton Beach, Florida, to visit the first underwater museum of art in the United States. Now, so people are asking where we are. I'm going to turn the view around. We are due south of Grayton Beach State Park. So that's Grayton Beach in the distance right there. And in fact, just to the left, you can see where the red bar is. You're all familiar with the red bar. And just to the right, you can see the new Fish Out of Water at Watercolor. They just went through renovation and just reopened this week. A stunning view of what we're experiencing right now. And then, of course, there's a viewing party. We know all of our friends and fans over at Bud and Alley's in Seaside, right about center on your screen right now. And thank you guys for being there at Bud and Alley's to watch this historic moment. So I'm gonna do a pass of this ship right here. What's the name of this one? This is the one we're on, yeah.
It's not named yet. It's
not named yet, so it could be yours, and you get the privilege of naming it if you buy it. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to do a little buzz. I'm going to fly over this thing. It's a gorgeous boat.
These are fine boats. There's all kinds of amenities. Just
and how many cabins
luxury.
does this boat have?
This boat has 3 staterooms.
3 staterooms.
Mm-hmm.
Gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. So this is the boat that we're on right now. There's another boat that they kind of went on a little joyride, but I think let's go back and buzz this boat. I mean, just perfect conditions for deploying an artificial reef.
That's right. These Prestiges are made out of France, and this boat that we're looking at right now, this Maritimo, came all the way from Australia.
By the way, guys, we're live. I see we have 150 people watching right now. If you want to shout out where you're watching from, we would love to see where you're watching from. Oh, Kimberly Borderlands on watching from Bud and Alley's. And we've got somebody from Thailand joining us. I can't pronounce your name, I'm afraid, but I recognize the language. All right, we're going to buzz these guys. Say hi, ladies, whoever's on the front of the boat over there.
Put your tops back on.
Exactly. So we got people from San Antonio, Texas, Columbia, Missouri, Franklin, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Norfolk, Virginia, Michigan, Maine, Miramar Beach. That's a beautiful boat. How many feet is this?
70 feet.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
So Galati Yacht Sales is right on the harbor next to AJ's. Everybody's familiar with AJ's, and they were generous enough to bring not only our team out here, but the artists, the sponsors, the charity event organizers. Look at that boat. That's gorgeous. Scottsdale, Arizona. Guys, keep shouting out where you're watching from.
3 Mile Island.
Crazy. So if you're tuning in late, and I'm sorry to be repetitive, but a lot of people have tuned in late, we are here for a historic moment. We're here for the deployment of the first underwater museum of art in the United States. We are awaiting the barge, which has these massive, beautiful sculptures created by artists such as, locally we have Rachel Herring, we have Justin Gaffrey, we have Allison Wiki. We have some amazing artists who are here to watch their sculptures submersed into 58 feet of water. So I'm going to, actually I'm going to circle back around to our other boat, and then I'm going to tell you about the different artists that we've got. 6 sculptures, and by the way guys, this is just the beginning. We're going to be deploying sculptures in this same spot every year for years to come. They're going to become thriving habitats, but they're also going to become places where visitors